Some states continue to push back on the Biden administration's vaccine mandate for private employers. The president saw a victory on that front on Friday. That's after a federal appeals court reinstated the vaccine and testing requirements for businesses. Sam Britton finds out how Chattanoogans could be affected by this.
The Sixth Circuit has reintroduced the mandate and said it was okay.
On Friday, President Biden's vaccine mandate for companies that have 100 or more employees was reversed. But attorney Shaun Naidoo says we haven't heard the end of this.
The next step and the final step in the process is that the Supreme Court of the United States is going to hear the case in the next few weeks.
Some conservative politicians are already calling for the Supreme Court to step in.
The ultimate ruler of the law in the U.S. is the Supreme Court, and we're finally going to get them to hear this case.
Until the Supreme Court potentially steps in, however, the mandate is in effect. And how might it impact Chattanooga?
I think you're going to see more of a labor shortage in America.
Chattanooga has a handful of businesses with 100+ employees, including Volkswagen.
We started, I think, back in June, is offering vaccination on site to make it very easy for the employees to get vaccinated if they choose to do so.
During our town hall discussion last week, Volkswagen's Burkhard Ulrich didn't mention anything about a vaccine mandate, however.
The legal situation indeed is very complex at the moment, to say the least.
I am not pro-mandate for a vaccine.
Dr. Anthony Fauci says the best way to fight COVID is getting vaccinated.
We will win this war with this virus, but we will win it only because we apply the things that we have.
It's sad that anybody feels obligated to keep their job, to get the vaccine to keep their job.
Naidoo says we are that much closer to having a final answer.
We will finally have clarity when it comes to, the pandemic and the mass part of it.
Sam Britton with that story. The federal government says a vaccine mandate for companies with more than 100 employees will come into effect on January 10th.